Hello, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 6 Pro. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning let's enter Settings and go to Security. Enter Screen Lock and confirm with your current screen lock. As you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe pattern, PIN and password. Let's start with none. Swipe. PIN. Password. And at the end, pattern. Now we can go to fingerprint unlock. And our fingerprint sensor is right here. Let's use it to unlock the phone. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.